Access specifiers. So basically, what are access specifier? Let us discuss. There are four access specifiers in Java. So those are so public, private, protected, and other kind of things. So let us see. So public. So let us see one by one. First one is public. So if you are going to declare a particular class, method, or a field which is declared as a public, so it is accessible from any other class. If you are going to declare a particular class or a method or a field which is declared as private, it is only accessible within the same class. It is not declared outside. So here we have declared a public class, and we have declared a private integer. So here we have declared a private integer. So any data type before we have declared a private. So next, before the method name is void my private method. So but before this particular void we have declared a private. So it means it will be accessible inside the class but not outside. So next, protected. So protected means if you are going to declare the class as protected, it can be accessible within the same package. So within the package only it is accessible. So you can able to declare the particular class. So within this particular package, whatever my package is the package, within that it will be accessible. So next, default. So a default package is private. So here no access specifier is used. So it is also known as package private. The class method or a field is accessible within the same package. So it will be accessible within the same package only. So for example, integer my package private field. So we have given a integer value. Similarly, you have given a this particular void. So it will be accessed inside the package only. Next concept is about access modifiers. Java has access modifiers that can be used to modify the behavior of classes, methods, and fields. Let us consider the first one, access modifier, which is final. If you are going to apply a final to a class or a method or a field to indicate that it cannot be further subclassed, it cannot be overridden, or it cannot be modified. The apply to a method or field indicate that its value or implementation cannot be changed. So it will be remains as a constant, it is unchanged. For example, here if you are going to declare integer my final field which is 42. 42 is assigned as an integer. So basically before integer you are having a final. So if you are going to declare a particular variable which is final, so and you have assigned a value which is 42, that remains constant. And if you are going to declare a particular method, so void my final method, so this is a particular method. So if you are going to declare a final before the method, so that particular method cannot able to change. So basically abstract is applied to class or method to indicate that it may not have a complete implementation and it must be implemented by subclasses. For example, here you are going to create something declaration part you are going to define in the abstract method. So here if it must be implemented by the subclasses. For example, parent has laid a foundation and the child has to be complete the building. So in such a manner you are using a abstract methods. So for example, you have declared a class, before the class you have applied a abstract. So here name of the class is my abstract class. Before class what you have declared, so you have declared a keyword abstract. So if you are going to declare a keyword abstract, this particular implementation inside the class you are going to declare the particular method. So here you have declared a public abstract. So keyword is abstract and you have declared a my abstract method. So void means it doesn't have any return type. So here you have declared a particular method as an abstract. So here the implementation part should be completed by the child classes or other methods. So next one is static. So here already we have discussed about static. So let us see what is static. So it is applied to a method or field to indicate that it belongs to the class rather than the instance of the class. Static methods and fields can be accessed using the class name. So already we have seen what particular static block, static variable we have seen. So we are going to see the static method. So here you have declared a keyword as a static. So before the method. So you have a method name is my static method. So before that, so you have declared a keyword static before the my static method. So here the void is a no return type, so you can able to apply before every method. So public means you can able to access everywhere, public static void. So next you have declared a name of the method. Access specifiers and access modifiers help in encapsulating and controlling the visibility of the classes, methods and fields in Java, contributing to the principles of encapsulation and abstraction in object-oriented programming. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.